Hello, this video provides a summary of the Guelph and Tri-City housing market stats for the month of January 2022. Despite the really cold weather outside, the market continues to be red hot and market prices continue to be increasing. Let's take a look at some of the key metrics relative to January of 2021. In Guelph, median sales price was $915,000, which was up by 35.6%. The average sale price per square foot was $580, which was up by 34.3%. The total number of listings was 238, which is up by 9.7%, and the total number of sales was 169, which was up by 9%. For the Tri-Cities, the median sales price for Kitchener was $833,000, which is up by 34.3%. The median sales price for Waterloo was $905,500, which was up by 41.9%. And for Cambridge, the median sales price was $836,000, which was up by 38.1%. As we wrap up the first month of the new year, there were no major surprises in our local real estate markets. We generally see a drop in activity during the holidays and a surge of new listings to the market once we move into the new year. And with the new year comes new sale price increases. An 11% month-over-month increase in median sales price from December in the city of Guelph, and we're seeing very similar results throughout the region. With unwavering buyer demand, we expect to see sale prices jump during months of low inventory, and historically December carries the lowest inventory of the year. As we move into the new year and inventory starts to grow, we expect that the rate of price increase will start to level out. Please click on the link in the description below to view the full January market report. While these stats will provide you with a snapshot of what's happening in the local real estate markets, there's a variety of factors to consider when you're buying and selling. If you're thinking about a move in the new year, please feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to have an open discussion with you about the market and provide you with all the information you need to make an educated decision for you and your family. Thanks for joining me, and have a great day.